Young children could soon get the COVID vaccine. That's because Pfizer's asking the government for emergency use approval in kids ages 5 to 11. So what do parents need to consider before deciding whether their keiki should get the shot? Joining us now with more is pediatrician Dr. Teresa Wee. Good morning, Dr. Wee. Thanks again for joining us.
Good morning, Chris.
Very important topic because this is coming soon and a lot of parents still might be on the fence. They have a lot of questions. I know that they've been asking you a lot of questions. So first of all, it's been reported that kids don't experience serious illness with COVID-19. So why would they need a COVID vaccine? Why is it so important?
So this is a very common question, and I tell people that children can be spreaders. So especially if there's grandmas, grandpas, or aunties and uncles who have a decreased immune system, they could pass it on to them. The other thing to remember is, there have been thousands of hospitalizations for children across our nation. Right now, the death toll for children is about 500. And we also have the, quote, long COVID symptoms. So we don't know all the facts about it, but there can be lingering side effects from after having COVID infection. And finally, there's something called myocarditis or pericarditis, inflammation of the heart. But if you have the vaccine, cardiologists say that it's far less severe than if you actually had the similar symptom without the vaccine.
Can you talk about what was studied and the data that will be looked at when deciding whether to grant the emergency use approval?
Yeah, so, they're actually studying children right now. And in one study, about 2,000 children were studied. Half of them were given the vaccine and the other half were not given the vaccine, the placebo. And so they found that the group that got the vaccine, it was 100% effective, the COVID vaccine. But in the children who got the placebo or did not get the vaccine, there were 16 outbreaks of COVID.
And they used a lower dose.
And yes, for children, they are using a lower dose, 5 to 11 years.
What other important information should parents know about this COVID vaccine for children? Because parents who might have really young children, maybe 5, 6 years old, might have a hard time grappling getting the COVID vaccine for their kids.
Well, I think number one, it's not a live virus. The children 12 to 15 years of age are really showing a good immune response as well as minimal side effects. And the only other thing to mention is for girls who are menstruating, there have been some temporary menstrual period changes. However, there's no evidence that it causes fertility in either boys or girls.
And then finally, we're also starting flu season. So should kids get the influenza vaccine along with the COVID vaccine?
Yes, yes, yes. The American Academy of Pediatrics is recommending that all children 6 months and older get the vaccine by the end of this month. They are predicting a very bad flu season since we hardly saw it last year, and they're predicting it to be earlier. So please call your family doctor or pediatrician and make an appointment, because I think, you can talk to your doctor about the COVID vaccine for your child, but definitely make an appointment for the flu vaccine.
All righty. Thank you so much, Dr. Teresa Wee, for joining us. Very important topic. And, a lot of parents still kind of questioning whether they should get it. So thank you for the information and for helping us all keep our keiki safe.
Thank you, Chris.
All right. Coming up next, we'll check on your weekend weather.